Brothers, more than 30 million people have seen the esports room tutorial to come. I brought it to you today. It's this cloud light setup. First, find an empty space. Then, you have to unroll the insulating paper. Then, cut it in half. It's easier to paste. Don't worry about flatness when you stick it, because the back is covered. You can also use a board to flatten. Pull out the lamp strip. Watch the head and tail. Tie the light belt to the transformer. Figure out the power supply location in advance. Start from the power supply in the lower right corner. Make sure the strips are not too far apart, otherwise, the effect will be affected. It's fine to test the charge. Now, let's make the clouds. Grab a wad of cotton and knead it loose. Spread glue evenly. Press on the wall for more than 10 seconds. Place the lamp strips first in case there is not enough cotton. You can choose different sizes of cotton when pasting. It's more layered. The corners are covered with small pieces of cotton. This is a 5-meter light strip. The effect is about enough for 2 square esports. This is a 20-meter light strip, and the ceiling will be a little harder to stick. Finally, remove the excess insulation paper, but it can also be covered with clouds. Alright, let's see what we get.